Have you ever gotten out of bed in your warm, toasty house, only to be rudely awakened when your feet hit the cold floor? If so, radiant floor heating might be for you. Iowa residents Heather and Brad Sinclair are building a new house and are having SunTouch floor warming installed in their primary bathroom to keep their toes nice and toasty.
We get temperatures anywhere from the negatives to 30s, 40s in the winter. It can get very cold at night, so the heated floor makes the tile nice and warm.
We had SunTouch in our previous home and we absolutely loved it just because the floor was so warm to the touch, and I am a very cold person all the time. It's nice to not have to have rugs that get dirty, and you can just have a nice clean space that's warm and inviting, and you don't have to worry about slippers. Set it to where it turns up and heats up in the morning, so if you know you're gonna take a shower at 6 a.m. every day, you can have the floor heat up, and so it's warm and ready to go when you get in there.
Heather and Brad decided to hire a contractor to install their electric heated flooring, but SunTouch also sells do-it-yourself kits with easy-to-follow instruction manuals, which are also available online if you want to put in your own elbow grease.
We put all of the components necessary to do the project in one box. So whether you're a professional or homeowner, they love it because it's all included. If you choose not to purchase the kit, you can purchase all of the products a la carte. SunTouch product can be customizable to rooms of all shapes and sizes. Our tape mat calculator is an excellent tool to be able to size out a tape mat project. The three things we'll need to know there is: one, the voltage coming into the thermostat; number two, the square footage of the area you're trying to heat; and number three, what the base floor is made out of. Would that be wood or concrete, for instance?
In addition to bathrooms, SunTouch floor warming can also be installed in bedrooms, hallways, kitchens, and throughout brand new builds and existing homes undergoing renovation. The new smart thermostat makes it very user-friendly.
So the first thing you want to do is come in and program your lifestyle, when you're here, when you're not. Notice it's a touchscreen, just like your cell phone.
So how do I control it remotely through the app?
It gives you a code here that you enter in on the Watts Home app, and they connect, and now you can control this controller with your phone.
SunTouch floor warming is a luxury that is more affordable than you may think. It also helps make a home more energy efficient.
It costs only pennies per day to operate. Most homes are heated with either a forced air furnace that blows air around, or they would have a boiler system, baseboard hot water system to heat their home. These other systems do a good job heating the space, but they leave the floor cold because the heat's going to rise up. A floor warming system works different than the other two. The heating element's placed directly in the floor, and it radiates off of there much like the sun would do.
If you're sick of shivering and putting on layers of socks, visit suntouch.com to find the perfect heated flooring for your home. To learn more, go to designingspaces.tv.